Hello everyone, welcome back. Sowson here. Christmas is just around the corner and I've got a perfect pasta salad for you. Look at these beautiful colours. Your family and friends, Christmas party, they're all going to love this one. It's a pasta dish that can be accompanied on its own or with another meal. Whichever way, it's a beauty. Are we ready? Come on, let's start cooking. I have a lot of ingredients to get together, so I'm going to have to use my largest mixing bowl, which is this one, which I've had for over 10 years, but it's perfect and I love it. We're almost finished. I've just got a block of halloumi and some mild salami that I'll be slicing up as well. And of course, our sliced black olives. This is one of my favourite cheese, halloumi. Next in line is the brie. Perfect salty cheese. These colours are already coming together. Sorry, I've got to do this. While I'm getting all this together, I've got water boiling in the back. I've added a little salt, no olive oil, and I'm using 500 grams of your short pasta. Now you can use any kind of pasta as long as it's short, and it works perfectly with this one. Pasta's finished, salad's finished. Now I'm going to mix it together and make my dressing. Now my dressing consists of peppers, pickled peppers. What I'm going to do is use some of these pickled peppers, but I'm also going to use the marinade of it. Just grab a few of these pickles. That's one. Just rip it up with your hands. Just got rid of the mess. Adding just pepper, cracked pepper to this. I'm not adding salt because the cheese, the olives, as well as the salami has more than enough. Now this is the best part. There we go, we mix it all through. It's a shame you can't smell this. It really does smell beautiful. Like and subscribe, guys. Get on that notification button and get yourself started. Have full access to all of these delicious recipes, and this is one of them. It's a beauty, and trust me, you'll love it. Here we go. Gotta eat it. Bye, everyone. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Give it a go. You'll love it.